Wonderful fragment. Fragment is not end of the story. It's actually beginning of another story. The fragment, when it put together, just like as a whole, and in my work, it's a kind of analogy that I put all the fragments together and united as a whole.
This is ancient Jingdezhen,
Okay.
about 150 years ago.
Wow.
And that's the modern Jingdezhen, the
Wow.
modern Imperial Kiln.
Yeah,
So
thank
people having kind of a time traveling.
you. I see, yeah. So, and then where's the museum?
So guess, here, this is where we are now.
Okay.
So have a guess.
So the museum was
that
there.
direction.
So it's on the second layer there?
Yeah, probably there.
Okay, wow, my goodness.
So I know you have a masterpiece here.
Thank you.
I heard your work is also kind of a time traveling. How would you describe that?
Well, the time traveling, it's because I want to use my contemporary eyes
Yes.
to look at the past
Yes.
and how it's influenced us. And history is very important for us as a part of our identity and also part of our ideas as an artist. I love using history. It's part in my work. So the time traveling, it becomes, unavoided kind of ideas.
So, would you like to tell us more about it?
Yes.
Your work is called Afterglow. Why?
Yes. And I'm really excited. One thing is like you arrange for the pieces to put it in this space. Because as an artist, we think about space a lot. And the pieces kind of stand alone here for people have a time to contemplate about our pasts and think about the present. And when I making and design this piece, I'm thinking about the past a lot and how country and travel through trade, and particularly that porcelain blue and white were trade from Jingdezhen all the way to Europe, and such as in Holland, England, all in France, all these places. And the idea is actually was inspired by the shipwreck. When the boat kind of sank, I capture that kind of shipwreck moments with the pieces are under the sea. And ceramics and porcelain has such a powerful, almost like a tablet, that recording about the history and the past. So you can tell they are not really like every pieces are, it's antique. I kind of make up the antique.
Yes.
And then you can see that the pieces that kind of, some of the pieces kind of carved it out, and then the reflect into that kind of after, as the title of the piece called Afterglow. Even though the time, like a time capsule, the time is going through and we're looking at the past, you can still see the glory of it.